Can you explain to folks the fatal funnel? You know, they talked a lot about the fatal funnel. Walk people through what that is.
Yeah, in training, we tell police officers to avoid the fatal funnel, or get through it as quickly as possible. So imagine going through a door. There's one way in the door, one way out, and that's through the door frame. So if you're a bad guy and you're on the other side of that door, and you know that the cops are coming through, it's like picking off fish in a barrel, right? As they come through. So we have to move as quickly as possible through that, strategically as possible, to get as many people through that fatal funnel as safely as we can, and not staggered through. So we train on how to do that as quickly as possible, and to reduce the risk and injury to our officers. But that's exactly what it is. When you're in that funnel, you're in that door frame, if you will, and you're on the other side. If you're a bad guy and you have your gun fixed, everybody coming through is just like target practice. And so you got to move quickly through there so that you don't succumb to that type of situation.
Right. And so they also talked about, brought up the fact that one of the BORTAC officers was injured when they did finally make entry into the. So they're clearly trying to make this point of, seems like what the defense is trying to set up is, look, he's one officer. You're expecting him to kind of go in and play Rambo, and that's not reasonable.
And it's not. I mean, we want our officers to be safe, and we train them to be safe, and so allowing time for a team to assemble. There are circumstances that would dictate otherwise.